Hey there, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com, and in this video I'm going to show you two methods how to run Facebook ads without a website. Because to give you the short answer, you can run your Facebook ads without having a website, but it might not be how you expect, because there are limits to what you can do when running your ads without a website. You see, campaigns such as traffic, conversions to sales pages, leads to opt-in pages, store traffic campaigns, they all require some form of website or even at least a third-party funnel system such as lead pages. But with these strategies, you can avoid using any of these and still get good results such as leads or more brand exposure. And before we just jump into the methods, I just want to say I would always highly recommend you get a website up and running if you don't already have one, because having a website has so many benefits. But one major benefit is that you own the space. If social goes tomorrow, your website will always be around because it's yours. But saying that, these methods you can use the Facebook platform to do your selling on the platform without needing any website, which starts with method 1, using Messenger campaigns. Here you can run your ads to drive people straight to your Messenger inbox. Then you can directly send messages to get their contact number or any other additional information required for your business. Here's how you can do this. Click the green button, select messages. Here you can name your campaign. I would always name it so you can always recognize the campaign, because if you get a lot of other campaigns set up, it can get messy and confusing. Click continue. Leave everything alone in the campaign level. And if you have CBO switched on, I'd say turn this off and set your budget at the ad set level. Then you want to make sure you have ad type set to click message. Select your page on budget and scheduling. This depends on your overall budget. You can run as less as $5 a day. I don't usually have a start or end date. I usually run the ad from daily perspective. Next, you want to define your audience. You should already have this information at hand, knowing your prospect, but a good recommendation if you're local is just set your location locally, and if you're international, I usually set to the big 4, which is USA, UK, Australia and Canada. A good thing to try is leave your targeting open on broad. You can leave placements on automatic and let Facebook AI, they'll optimize your best prospect and where to place the ad. Just press next, and then here you can choose image, video or even carousel. I'd say it's up to you, but I would start with a single image. Set up your ad creative and copy. This all depends again on your industry, but you want to make sure your copy compels people to send you a message. Then the CTA or call to action, just leave it as send a message, and that's it. You can publish it and you've done the ad. From there, make sure you have a good conversation flow to get your prospects to give you information that help you make your sale. But moving on to the next method, which is engagement campaigns. Now, these are powerful to help get your business and brand exposure in front of your prospects. Now, to mention with these campaigns, they are very good for when you do eventually set up a website or use a third-party software such as lead pages, because you can specifically use engagement campaign data to retarget for sale conversions or leads. But here's how to quickly set this up. Just click create, and it's up to you what type of engagement you want. I usually go for post engagements when I want to retarget. Or if you want social proof for your Facebook page, then click page likes. Next, label your campaign. Press continue. Again, leave everything alone and press next. Set your budget to what you want to spend. Again, you can do as little as $5 or even $1 a day. On audiences, select your country, and again, can leave the interest targeting wide open. Placements, keep that automatic. Select your Facebook page in the ad setup. Use create ad, or if you have an existing post, just select that. Add your creative, image and copy. The call to action, just leave it as no button. Click publish and you're done. Now, here's something to note. If you're seeing the new updated interface when you click create, all Facebook have done is bundle together the campaign objectives. To access messages on this interface, click engagement, go straight to ad set, click messaging apps, and everything should pop up as normal. And for engagement post likes, just click on your ad, and on the drop down menu of engagement type, you'll see post engagement there. And that's it for this video. If this was helpful, it would help if you could hit the like button below, and until then, I'll see you in the next video.